Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Okay, friends, we love to introduce you to our friend, Shelley Bartruff. Everybody in the house, Shelley, thank you for coming. We've shared her recipes with you, and so we said, you know, if we're going to share them, why don't you share them? And she goes, okay, sure. So she's graciously drove over, and we're sharing a recipe for, what are we making?
Chicken chili.
Yes, all right.
Yes.
So we kind of got started because, you know, Carol and I need a running start.
On the counter,
okay, so what do we, break it down for us, Shelley.
Break it down. Well,
Yes.
you can have 4 or 5 boneless chicken breast, 2 15-ounce cans of black beans. We need to rinse and drain them.
Okay.
And 2 10-ounce cans of diced tomatoes and green chilies. 4 cups of chicken broth, which is 32 ounces.
Did we get that right?
Yeah, we nailed it.
Yes,
we
you
nailed
did,
it. Thank
you
you,
did.
thank you.
2 10-ounce package of Hidden Valley seasoning, and I measured all the seasonings and put them in here. But anyway, you got 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 green bell peppers cut up, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese.
Okay.
Well, this is the cream cheese. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and it's optional if you like corn. We'll throw corn in.
Okay.
I've never had chili with cream cheese in it.
This-
Just to make it thicker.
It's just flavor,
Yeah.
and it really is good. I made that right after I retired. That's why I call it my retirement chili.
Retirement chili, yes.
So in the meantime, we're doing a lot of cutting of bell
in.
pepper and
Yep.
chicken. Now this chicken, you can put it in a crock pot and then later on shred it.
Okay.
But I prefer to cut it up first, put it in the crock pot, and then
Okay.
I'm done. Just let it cook.
So where did you get this recipe from? Is this an ancient Chinese recipe from somewhere?
I think I found it on Facebook or just looked
There
it
you
up.
go.
Does everything just go in the crock pot?
You can put that in
But
the
we
crock
layer
pot.
this. 'Cause there's something that goes at the end, and that's the cream cheese, I think.
Yep,
something
the
at the
cream
end.
cheese will go on top. So
Okay,
we
so
can just throw
I'm
that
just
in the
gonna-
crock pot.
Okay.
You've got it.
Look at that.
Is that both of them?
Yep, that's
Okay,
both of them.
perfect.
Okay, so
Well, I got this.
And
Oh,
then
yeah.
maybe we should get the black, yeah, you always have to rinse your black beans. that
Always.
you're-
Yeah, we need to drain and rinse
Yep.
the black
Why,
beans.
I know, what are they in that makes it so icky that you have to
Well,
rinse them?
let me just do this.
Like mud?
I don't know. I got to drink.
Looks like mud.
Yep.
If you ask me, but then I wouldn't know.
But anyway, yeah, and once I made it, I
Family
served
favorite?
it to a couple people, and they really liked it. So
Oh, good. Yeah, and you know, we're going to have cold weather, like it feels like for the next month if we don't, spring never comes. So what a great, easy recipe for chili. And I like when chili's a little different, it has chicken in it.
Yep.
You know, it's just a different flavor, different taste from what everyone is used to with a chili.
You ready for the beans?
you can go ahead and throw them in.
Incoming.
Incoming black beans, which are
Awesome.
I gotta tell you, when I
Shelley,
saw this
Shelley.
recipe, I'm like, this is really
Yum.
heavy loaded with protein, which everybody needs. So
Yeah.
very good. They're
Yummy.
going to continue to cut. We're going to continue this recipe with our good friend Shelley Bartruff when we come back. Don't go anywhere, friends.
Stay with us.
Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Again, we're listening to Jiggy, and we like to thank Jiggy for letting us
I
play.
found it. I found it.
Let us use their wonderful music.
take
If you're in Dublin tonight, check out Jiggy. Okay, so we've just been cutting away, chatting. So I'm going to add how many chicken?
There were 4 big chicken breasts.
Yeah, that's
Sorry.
you're not gonna have much room for anything else in there. Okay, so we're making a chicken chili. It's Shelley's retirement chicken
Yeah.
chili.
You
So
rinse your hands, and I have towels up here. if you
Yes,
need.
when I
there's a towel right there.
worked for a while, 31 years, I decided
Dedicated employee.
I was a dedicated
Yes, you
employee.
were.
Yes, I was. And I said, I'm retiring and moving back to my roots in Eustis, Nebraska.
Yay!
Woohoo!
And they're very deep because we have a 104-year family farm.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness,
So
really?
That's
Was-
wonderful.
I'm pretty
Yeah.
proud of that.
I would be
Yes,
too.
absolutely. And if you're wondering how we found Shelley, she's been a Facebook friend of Good Life.
Yep.
For a long, long time, and then she started sending us recipes, and we're like, these are really good. She
Yeah.
and Deb handwrite out all the recipes.
Yes,
It's
very
kind
impressive.
of- yes,
And they got
it
good
is.
penmanship. I can read them.
Yes.
Okay, so to this, what do we add?
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we'll just add bacon.
Now,
There's supposed to be 2 cups, but
We'll
that'll work.
give or
We're
take
just gonna
I'm
more.
going to
Throw it
eyeball it
all
and say,
in. Oh.
I'm going to eyeball
mix
it.
it up,
Shelley.
mix it up. I don't
my
know.
goodness
Hopefully this
gracious.
will all fit. You guys want corn?
Everybody loves corn.
Love
you gotta,
corn.
Yeah.
Oh boy, this is going to be really getting full.
Well, we could, yeah. We'll don't
Well,
worry.
that's
we'll,
all
we'll
right,
take
all
care
right.
of it.
So, and now I'm going to add, I actually mixed all the seasonings last
Okay,
night.
okay.
So I'm going to put them all in here
Okay.
once she...
Because you
Ooh,
do say add
look at
seasoning.
that.
When she sends in a recipe, and these are what you're talking about right there.
Well, these are actual seasonings that are on the recipe.
Okay,
these are the ones
okay.
that I like.
Okay, these
and
are the
I
ones that
add, and I
she
just
likes.
throw
So-
in.
And we're adding some chicken broth.
Yep,
How much?
that
The
in
whole
mind.
four.
the whole thing.
The whole thing. Oh my gosh, this smells good already, and it hasn't even been.
The
in the crock pot. Oh,
whole
look at
thing.
that.
This is a smaller crock pot, so hopefully it'll all fit.
Here, I'll
It'll
pour
fit.
this. You get the next one ready.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Do we add the diced green chili?
yep,
Have
we
added
add
those
that.
yet?
Yep, we add the diced tomatoes
Ooh,
and green
baby.
chilies.
This is good stuff. Oh, here, I got a knife for you to open that. Whoopsie. I'm loving
Okay,
it.
I like the
Okay, we'll
bread.
stop
Okay, that
right
might be
there.
I'll wait. I
Because
think
we'll
I'll
get
wait.
we'll get a
That
pot. But
might-
otherwise, what else would you add to this?
Well, I would add one more can.
Okay.
More can.
So
And
you
the-
can add that if you
Yep.
put it in a bigger
Okay.
pot.
But the secret to this is what I read on is to add the cream cheese goes on
At the end?
At the end.
At the
Okay.
end.
Yeah, I'm just going to throw some of my own little seasonings.
Okay.
No
Oh, it's-
measuring.
I got to tell you, it
This
just
is smelling
smells like
delish.
wonderful in here. And then I take it you serve it with
Fritos.
it with the
Top
yeah.
them.
Yep. You can either, once it's been 6 to 8 hours on low,
Mm-hmm.
you can either throw that in there or just put it in your own bowl.
Okay.
Exactly.
Wow.
And throw it on top and Fritos.
And who
Perfect.
doesn't have Fritos with chili?
Yeah.
I mean, that's like
Yes.
you have to have the Fritos. with
Yummy,
goodness.
yummy, yummy. That really
What
is.
an honor to have our special friend Shelley with us making this. You're going to want this recipe. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Shelley.
Thank you, Shelley,
you.
for coming on the
Welcome.
show.
It's
Love
been
having
fun.
you. It has been fun.
It's
Finally
been
get to
fun.
meet Shelley. We're going to
Yes.
share Shelley's recipe on our website, Nebraska.tv.
See you, everybody. Have a happy St. Patty's Day.
Bye. St. Patty's. Be safe.
Be safe is right. Awesome. This smells so good.